Well, I'm back in the workshop this morning. Didn't finish till gone 10 last night. I finished at 11:30 the night before. But here is some of the progress on the bike. So Tuesday night I got the panels all in paint. I did all these basically in a day, all the different colours on, and I finished at 11:30 at night getting the lacquer on these panels. Obviously drying time affects each stage of painting these panels. So we've got the YouTube channel there on the tank and my business there on the front top fairing. Tail unit's just resting on the rear subframe there. Yesterday another job I had to do was weld up this little box unit to take the battery. I've started lock wiring everything off for safety and to meet the ACU regulations. And I'm now doing some of the dreaded electrical work on the bike. Oh yeah, and I've done a little repair on one of the carbs. So I have actually got one of these coming, but I didn't want to risk not having it sorted for when we go and race this weekend. I wanted it to be right. So I've put a bit of brake pipe in there and it's all aerodited up and it's all fine. So yeah, all in all, we're starting to get there. It's all starting to come together. I'll update with another video soon when I get the bike all built up.